This is where it starts. You move towards this entrance, then there is a pathway, walk on it. See, they have arranged a shamiana for food. All the houseboat people have food in this shamiana. The arranged is buffet. Now that's the shamiana where food is arranged. Then again we go to the path. These are the houseboats owned by the same Akbar group. The pathway takes to winding pathway. You can then see the evergreens cropped and pruned on both sides of the pathway. Keep on walking, and that's the kitchen. Here you will reach the place where you can see houseboats on all sides. Each houseboat is parked in a lane, and actually it is moored on the floor. Terra firma. It's not really in lake. Only thing is, the farther end of the houseboat will be out in the lake, where from you can have a view of the houseboat and the lake, Dal Lake. Now we are going to enter the houseboat. Yes, now we are entering the houseboat. We have to remove the shoes. You can see those shoes lying here. And that's Jadan. This is the dining area, which is well decked with a cutlery bar, a refrigerator, and windows on all sides.